This is Sally. Sally works 60 hours per week to feed her family as a visual artist and moonlights as a waitress. Sally has recently seen her monthly expenses skyrocket. However, her income has remained stagnant in an effort to make ends meet. Sally turns to the internet to find a solution to solve her financial problems. While browsing the internet, Sally discovers the Pamper Me Network. She was shocked to learn that the Pamper Me Network can help her make an extra $2,500 per month. Sally realized that she can use the Pamper Me Network's social rewards platform to convert her artwork into NFTs and earn lifetime royalties when her artwork is traded online. By hosting her NFT landing pages on the Pamper Me Network, Sally supplements her NFT income by collecting tips while sharing in advertising and e-commerce revenues. She is also excited to learn that she can connect with anyone on social media, including Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, and Instagram, and earn $1 for each free connection. Plus, keep up to 100% of her NFT, tipping, and related e-commerce revenues. Intrigued, Sally creates an account on the Pamper Me Network. She uploads her artwork and configures her profile page. Within days, her artwork is minted, uploaded to an exclusive NFT marketplace, and the promotion process begins. Not long after NFT listing, the sales begin to roll in. Excited, Sally tells her artist colleagues about the Pamper Me Network. They in turn create their own accounts and begin selling their artwork. Curious, Sally accesses her dashboard and notices that referral fees have been deposited to her social rewards wallet. After 1 year, she counts 50 new artists activated and $25,986 in social rewards bonuses, referral fees, and NFT sales. Happy with the outcome, Sally redoubles her effort and forges additional collaborative partnerships with her network of artistic friends and followers. Together they promote each other's work while making a little extra money. If you love Sally's story, please select the link below to activate your own Pamper Me Network social rewards account.